Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to the channel, check the links in the description for the best deals on all the pads and mats featured today, and leave a comment sharing your experience or which one you think works best. If your phone keeps sliding off the dashboard, your sunglasses end up on the floor, or small items distract you while driving, you're definitely not alone. A simple non-slip pad can solve this daily frustration, and in this video, I'll break down the top 5 best pads and mats you can buy right now to keep your car organized, safer, and stress-free. Starting at number 5, the ZCGEL Sticky Dash Pad 4-pack is designed with high-quality gel material that firmly grips both your dashboard and the items placed on top. According to its Amazon listing, these pads are washable, reusable, heat-resistant, and leave no residue when removed. They are flexible enough to conform to curved dashboard surfaces and are suitable for holding phones, keys, sunglasses, coins, and other small accessories. The pack includes 4 pads, giving you multiple placement options throughout your vehicle. In everyday use, this set stands out because of its versatility and value. Having 4 pads allows you to organize different areas of your car without constantly moving items around. The grip is strong enough to keep things in place during turns and sudden stops, making it ideal for daily commuters and rideshare drivers. The only minor downside is that the smaller size limits how many items you can place on each pad, but overall, it's still a very practical and worthwhile buy. At number 4, the Car Dashboard Non-Slip Mat offers a simple yet effective design made from durable, anti-slip material. Amazon lists this mat as heat-resistant, reusable, and capable of holding phones, GPS devices, coins, and other lightweight items without adhesive. It is designed to sit flat on the dashboard and can be easily removed and cleaned with water to restore its grip. What makes this option appealing is its ease of use. There's no installation, no sticky residue, and no learning curve. You just place it on the dashboard and it works. It's perfect for drivers who want a quick, no-fuss solution to sliding items. The grip may weaken slightly over time if it gets dusty, but a quick wash brings it right back, making it a solid and dependable choice. Coming in at number 3, the ZCGEL Car Dashboard Sticky Pad 2-pack features the same high-quality gel construction as the larger pack, but in a slightly bigger and more robust format. According to Amazon, these pads are washable, reusable, non-toxic, and designed to withstand high temperatures without melting or losing grip. The 2-pack format offers larger surface areas for holding phones, wallets, or multiple items at once. This version is ideal for drivers who want stronger holding power with a cleaner look. The larger size provides more confidence when placing phones or frequently used items, especially during longer drives. It's a great balance between grip strength and flexibility. The only drawback is that gel pads can attract dust faster than rubber mats, but with regular cleaning, performance stays excellent. At number 2, the extra-large non-slip car dashboard sticky pad is built for maximum coverage and convenience. Amazon highlights its oversized design, strong anti-slip material, heat resistance, and ability to hold multiple items securely at the same time. The mat is flexible, washable, and designed to sit flat on most dashboard surfaces without damaging them. This pad is best for drivers who want everything within reach. You can place your phone, sunglasses, keys, and parking cards all in one spot without cluttering your console. It's especially useful for road trips or delivery drivers who rely on quick access to essentials. Because of its size, it may not fit well on smaller dashboards, but for larger vehicles, it's an excellent and worthwhile upgrade. Taking the top spot at number 1, the Jamisha Anti-Slip Pad stands out for its premium build and strong grip performance. According to Amazon, it is made from high-quality PVC material, is heat-resistant, washable, reusable, and designed to firmly hold phones, GPS units, and small accessories without adhesive. The surface texture enhances friction, ensuring items stay in place even during sharp turns or sudden braking. What makes the Jamisha pad the best overall choice is its balance of grip, durability, and clean appearance. It feels more refined than basic mats and performs consistently in both hot and cool conditions. It's ideal for drivers who want a reliable, long-term solution without cluttering their dashboard. While it doesn't offer adhesive-level grip for heavy items, it still delivers excellent everyday performance and is absolutely worth buying. That wraps up our countdown of the top 5 best pads and mats for your car. Each of these options helps reduce distractions, protect your interior, and keep essential items exactly where you need them. If this video helped you find the right solution, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, Check the links in the description for the best current deals, and leave a comment sharing which pad you're using or planning to try. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.